Traders, in this video I'm going to be doing a recap of what happened yesterday and also my daily analysis for what I see today. Now, starting yesterday, we had a Fibonacci drawn on gold, okay, because my bias was buy for gold yesterday, you know, just because we're in buy structure, obviously. So I left gold around this key level, okay, we were breaking these highs, so you had great trading opportunities that would give you a lot of pips throughout the rest of the day. Okay, so let's just measure how many pips that would have been exact. Till like round 5 o'clock, which is when I would stop trading. So yeah, it was a good 160 pip move. Now you could have got into multiple entries. You would have been probably stopped out in this one realistically. But then you would have made it all back on the break of this high again. And then a double bottom level hit. Okay, so loads of opportunities if you take advantage of it. I just do these videos so you guys get the direction. Then you guys can go and enter you know, with risk management, and I'm not viable for any of your losses, okay, or any of your wins. It's down to your own responsibility, just putting that out there. Now, EU, as we can see, I've marked it up already, but yesterday, let's just have a look what happened yesterday. So I left EU around breaking these lows, and I was just saying the price is going to be selling off, which we did get, but price decided to pull all the way back, flipping back into buys. Obviously, it's the 1 hour still sells. But then we carried on selling off for the rest of the day, so you could have got into loads of trading opportunities, you know, for a good amount of pips till 5 o'clock. So yeah, you would have got a good 40 pips on EU, but obviously we know that if you're on the 5 minute, 40 pips is huge, okay? If you're risking a 2 pip stop, there's so much R potential, okay? So I'm just letting you know the EU, yes, our bias was correct, it was sales yesterday. Now, I will do the daily analysis in a sec. So AJ, where did we leave AJ yesterday? So AJ, I said we were in sales and I thought it would be selling off, which we did not get. AJ decided to pull all the way back and then flip back into buys yesterday. So that analysis did not play out correctly, which is normal. Okay, I'm not going to get every single one of them right. And it's great for you guys to see it playing out live. So yes, you would have, you know, unless you know how to draw price action, you would have been able to get into these moves anyway and, you know, take full advantage of the actual direction. But yeah, more than likely you would have been stopped out. You know, there's a double bottom, double top level that I did actually get in and I got break even on. But yeah, that was AU yesterday, so our bias was incorrect. And then UJ, where did we leave that yesterday? So that was selling off, okay, this huge candle, and I did actually buy this back up. As you can see here, we broke these lows back into sells all the way down, pushed into this very bottom wick, which I was definitely very cautious of because we did not close past this low. But yeah, so we flipped back into buys for the rest of the day, but we were in sells. You would have had a nice little selling opportunity here to take advantage of, just a nice break and retest of this area. And then you would have probably made profit depending on what time frame you're on. Okay, and then we flip back into bulls for the rest of New York until where we are now, which I'll come and break down in a sec. And then AJ, so AJ yesterday we did the exact same. It was just selling off, and then it decided to retrace around 12 o'clock back into buy structure, where you would have had some trading opportunities if you wanted to take advantage of them. Okay, so I think that is it for my, okay, GJ, it's the exact same pretty much. We said it was going to be selling off, which it did past these lows, but then it decided to consolidate and come all the way back up, okay? So it depends on how you trade, whether you have been able to take advantage of it, okay? So what am I seeing for today? So gold is clearly still in a buy. I think everyone can realise this now. With our key level being here, okay? That is our last recent lower high, sorry, in this instance, since we're buying. So we can wait for gold to come back into sort of these fib level regions to look to go long on gold. Back up to the minus 62 level, great in confluence with our minus 27 level for our current fib long. Okay, so gold, my bias is long today. Let's have a look on EU. And EU, I am long today also, with our last recent double bottom level being here, which is the last higher high, the low of the last higher high as well. So yeah, you can definitely look to take longs when these candles start to close, to ride this up. but I would be very careful how it's reacted to this level, but we're not going to predict it, we're just going to keep entering until price tells us otherwise. Now AU, I am definitely sells. I don't really like this price action though, you know, this sort of consolidation going up, just corrective behaviour. I don't like that at all, and this is a nice little impulsive move, but depending on how it reacts to this next push phase after this exhaustion, we'll see. Okay, if we can break this low, we can definitely look to take selling opportunities on AU. Okay, I'm just going to scale down to the 5 min, have a little quick look, see what's happening. Not too much, we're still in a buy on the 5 min as of now. But yes, I'm definitely looking to sell AU today. UJ, clearly in a buy, breaking these highs. And we can see it's pulled all the way back to our golden zone. Okay, breaking these highs of the candle, potentially looking for fib longs right now. I just do not like entering before London Open because it has a lot of volume either way, okay, which it would look something like this if you're looking to go long, potential 9.2% return, okay. So yes, I'm definitely long for UJ. AJ, I'm definitely short, okay. We can see it's consolidating sort of to the side, but last recent lower, lower high this time was our double top level. Until this gets taken out, we are in sells, okay. That's all I want to be doing. I want to keep selling it till it tells me otherwise. So GJ, yeah, the exact same. I am sell structure in GJ. Waiting to come until it takes out this key level, then I'll be looking to flip back into buys. But until then, I am selling GJ, okay? If the patterns show anyway. And then gold, so we've done them all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave another video on top of my daily analysis from yesterday, just so you guys can learn, okay, and just see how I actually do it, and go and have a look back in case you missed anything from yesterday that you didn't know, and then you can learn, okay. So thank you for watching up to this point if you have, and I'll be back later with a live trade and Ethereum analysis today, so there's going to be 2 more videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and peace.